Okay, we got the Type 4 back at the shop here. CT picked this up. We took it over to his house and did an initial fire up over at his house. And I didn't have any jets or any of my tools over there, you know, sort of limited. And we took it out to the farm the other day and we were firing it up, got it running, went through the carburetors a little bit, and it just wasn't running perfect, you know. And I went to set timing and it just died. And we couldn't get it fired back up. So we brought it back over here where I got stuff, and we went through everything. I replaced the coil. We had bought a brand new distributor, or CT did. He bought a brand new copy of an 09, and it was not real nice, needless to say. It did start and run for a little bit, but I decided to throw an original 009 in there, put a Bosch cap on it, some Bosch points, and a new condenser, a new rotor, and I replaced the coil because it was bad, the brand new blue coil. I don't know if the key got left on or what happened, but might have been why the condenser burned up also. But it runs really good now. I also adjusted the idle jets down from a 55 to a 50. And that seemed to help with the brown smoke. On the initial fire up, I always put an extra quart of oil in, so they will smoke a little bit. And that's to get the oil splashing on the cam and lifters. You know, a lot of guys run them a little hard, you know, 2,500, 3,000 RPM, but that can be hard on the motor when it first fires up, you know. So we got the cam break-in done. I changed the oil, got the proper oil level now. Got the, I think what's the correct idle jets in there. Might have to adjust the main jet and maybe the fuel pressure a little because we just have a fuel pump deadhead into the carburetors. It's a low pressure pump, but this is the second pump. The first pump went bad. So we haven't had a lot of good luck with stuff not going bad lately. So let's fire it up, see how it sounds. It didn't start good either. It was like, you know, hard to start. And just having weird issues. Runs much better now. Turn a fan on. Anyway, I've just been letting it run through some heat cycles, and once it goes into 914, the exhaust system's much nicer. Got an A1 exhaust for it. So we'll see how it goes. Ready to put it in something now. You can see all the smoke's cleared up now, and whoa, what's going on here? I let CT use my camera stand. He's got everything moving on this thing. Yeah. So that's what's going on with that one. I got a little bit of stuff going on in the engine room too. We'll just let that one run over there. We got the 1600 I'm putting together for CT over here, getting ready to assemble this. I got to get my bench cleaned up. I'm getting everything laid out over here. Trying to find hardware. We got the crank assembled the other day. These are not lint-free rags. But yeah, so that's what's going on with this. It's pretty much ready to go together. And waiting on some sheet metal and a few other parts to make it a complete engine, but trying to get the short block built today. I got the cylinder heads over there ready to go. I'm waiting for some spacers for my cylinders. But I'm going to go ahead and build the short block. That way I'm ready to go. Got my plug in my oil galley there. And I think I'm ready to assemble this part of it. Got it all deburred, cleaned up with the 80 grit or 60 grit roll. And this case was really rough inside. Got the lifter boss was cut down, so we got clearance under the cam. And that should be a pretty nice motor. So that's what's going on with that. You notice sitting here, I got CT's helping me get some headlights for this thing. Had to order that stuff, not really good at that. And a couple door hinges, and yeah. Good now. Sorry boys, didn't mean to kick you there. Yeah buddy, can't beat that. That's pretty good for what we started with. I got 3 more of these to build out there at the farm. They're just piling up. Type 4 motors. So hopefully we'll get to do a couple more of these. Maybe a little wilder. I don't know. Seems to be pretty happy there. So anyway, just a little short video. Hopefully the camera's running. Thanks for watching the terrible videos, subscribing, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one.